Dewey, what the hell's taking you so long?
It's a 39-car consist, Bunny. The thing's a half a mile long, for Christ's sake. Police, channel up.
Go for police.
Believe this shit?
Hey, hold up. You forgot to tie the air in from the point.
Yeah, so?
So, you don't have any air brakes.
We can tie the hoses once we got it parked and Bunny's quit his bitching.
Shake hands with danger.
Okay.
Meet a guy you ought to know. I used to have the same name. Now they call me Three-Finger Joe.
You're at 29 cars, you got 10 to go, you're good.
When the body's on the job, but the mind is elsewhere, it's danger time. Any shortcuts, and you're inviting injury. In fact, taking shortcuts is often a quick road to trouble.
Hold your horses.
What's wrong?
Damn trailing point switch. Tracks line for D16.
What's your stopping distance?
At least 20 cars to a stop. Damn it.
Okay, so we back it up and lose a little time.
I'm hopping out.
Do not get out of that cab, man.
Don't worry, I'll set the independent.
Do it.